Hi students, welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all understood what we have learned in the last class. Today we are going to learn some problems relating multiplication method. Let's start. We are going to do an example from the textbook. If 4 strings of length 1 by 3 meter were laid end to end, what would be the total length? We have to calculate the total length of 4 strings. Given that total number of strings equal to 4, length of one string equal to 1 by 3 meter, then total length of 4 strings equal to 4 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 into 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. When we divide 4 by 3, we got 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. In mixed fraction, we can write as Q and R by D form. So we can write as 1 and 1 by 3. That is, the total length of 4 strings equal to 1 and 1 by 3 meter. Next, we shall do the exercise questions from the textbook, page number 32. Question number 1. An iron block weighs 1 by 4 kg. First question. What is the weight of 15 such blocks? Second one. What about 16 blocks? Let's find out. Weight of an iron block equal to 1 by 4 kg. Then weight of 15 blocks equal to 15 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 15 into 1 by 4, that is 15 by 4. When we divide 15 by 4, we got 3 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So we can write it as 3 and 3 by 4 kilogram. Second question, we have to find out the weight of 16 blocks. So it is equal to 16 into 1 by 4. That is 16 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 16 by 4 is 4 kilogram. Next, we shall do the question number 2. Each of some iron rods of length 2 meters is cut into 5 equal pieces. Then first question, what is the length of each piece? Second one, what is the total length of 4 such pieces? And third one, what about 10 such pieces? We have to calculate these questions one by one. Given length of one iron rod equal to 2 meter. One rod is cut into 5 equal pieces. Then first one, length of each piece equal to 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 by 5 meter. In the second question, length of 4 pieces equal to 4 into 2 by 5, which is equal to 4 into 2 by 5, that is 8 by 5. When we divide 8 by 5, we got 1 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So we can write it as 1 and 3 by 5 meter. In the third question, we have to find length of 10 pieces. Length of 10 pieces equal to 10 into 2 by 5, which is equal to 10 into 2 by 5 is 20 by 5, which is equal to 4 meter. Here is an activity for you from the textbook, page number 33. There are some cans, each containing 5 liters of milk. The milk in each vessel is used to fill 6 identical bottles. First one, how much milk is there in each bottle? Second one, how much milk in 3 such bottles? And third one, in 12 bottles. That's all for today. Thank you.